Welcome back to the Skift Daily Briefing. It's Tuesday, June 16th. I'm Sarah Dandishi, and today, new federal data shows Europe is driving another drop in U.S. tourism. World Cup host cities are spending millions to convince the world that they're welcoming, and 10 years after hotels declared a war on OTAs, we ask, did it actually work? Let's go ahead and get into it. First up, overseas visitation to the U.S. fell 6.5% in May, down 2.8 million travelers. That puts us at less than 80% of pre-pandemic volume for this time of year. Now, total overseas travel is down nearly 5% for the year so far. Western Europe is the biggest concern. It makes up more than a third of all overseas visitors, and it's down 10% this year. South Korea is down 23%, the Netherlands down 21%, France down 17%, and these are just some of the highest spending visitors in the world, and they're staying home. Now, the only region showing growth, the Middle East, up 9%, South America up 2%. The takeaway, this is happening right as the World Cup kicks off, the event that was supposed to be the turning point for inbound tourism. Instead, the numbers suggest the slide hasn't bottomed out just yet. Next up, host cities know that they have a perception problem, and they're spending real money to fix it. New York's mayor released a welcome video with subway etiquette tips. Boston's campaign features hotel housekeepers and tour guides singing, "We've got the whole world in our hands," a $2 million campaign running through July. Philadelphia interviewed visiting fans on the subway. Atlanta enlisted local celebrities, including Lil Jon and Ryan Seacrest. Now, Boston's marketing VP put it simply, with everything going on in the world, they wanted a message that says, if you're coming here this summer, you're going to be welcomed. And this is not just U.S. cities either. Visit Norway, Tourism New Zealand, and Visit Scotland are all writing their team's World Cup moments to promote travel to their countries. So how does this impact you? Well, these campaigns are a direct response to the inbound numbers that we just talked about. Whether millions of welcome videos can offset visa headlines and entry policy concerns, well, that still is an open question. And finally, 10 years ago, Hilton launched Stop Clicking Around to get travelers booking direct. The headline result? OTA share of U.S. hotel room nights hasn't budged. 20% in 2019, 21% last year. But Skift's deep dive this week argues that's the wrong scorecard. What actually changed is margin. Marriott's commission rates dropped from around 15% to as low as 10%. And loyalty programs now drive 65 to 75% of room nights at major chains. That's customers who spend more and cost less to acquire. The case study, Citizen M joined Marriott Bonvoy's program last year. A third of their profit gain came from lower commissions. Another third came from new loyalty members filling midweek rooms, giving them pricing power on everything else. So in a nutshell, hotels didn't kick out the middleman. They just made the whole system more profitable. The open question now is whether AI search and booking disrupts this all over again, and whether loyalty becomes even more important, not less, and the new trust signal in an AI-driven world. Well, that's it for your Skift Daily Briefing. For more industry news, head to skift.com and subscribe at skift.com/daily. Thanks so much for listening.